The Dalapromhu market has been here for years. Then one day, the train decided to come to town, and no one wanted to move.
แถมแล้วค่ะโอ้ยได้ไปเมืองนอกอุ้ยขอบคุณมาก
10 baht, 10 baht, take it home, it's green, it's green. 10 baht, take it home. 10 baht, 10 baht, take it home, it's green, it's fresh. 5 for her, 25 for you. Oh, fabulous. 10. Whoa, 100 baht. You want everything? Okay. Okay, kapung kap.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Step right up here. Oh, it's time for the train? Whoa, hello. You're not going to believe this. Watch. Seven days a week, 8 times a day. And just as if nothing has happened, the market goes back to its normal busy pace.